Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, February 26, 2024. Today's video is about the Grands Boulevards. The Grands Boulevards is an oil-on-canvas painting by Pierre-Auguste Renoir, painted in 1875. The painting illustrates a busy Paris boulevard, showing the effects of the recent renovation of the city by Georges-Eugène Haussmann. It depicts a wide, paved street with a large concrete building to the right of the painting. The influence of impressionism on Renoir can be seen in the painting through the short brush strokes and a seemingly out-of-focus view. The work is now in the collection of the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.